Come with us as we travel from Cherokee, North Carolina to Gatlinburg, Tennessee. If you're interested in those areas, we're going to show you all the cool things along the way. Is it about the journey or is it about the destination? Today's video, we are going to bring you on our journey. We will have the other videos that will bring you to the destinations, but today it's all about the journey, and we go from like this frosted tree winter wonderland experience that is beautiful, and then legit like a day later it's balmy and it's sunny, and we run into wild animals in the river, and we run into this waterfall, and there's beautiful mountain vistas. So stick with us, because this is a one-of-a-kind journey that you're going to want to see. Why are you so calm around me? Why you let me get so close? You're so shiny and pretty. You're way too habituated. Oh, more people came. Oh, not that habituated. So I'm going. There's elk in the water right here. I'm gonna try to get out and film for you guys without bothering them. Oh my gosh, Jody spotted them. Look at them. Look at them. Oh, they're just hanging here in the water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Oh my gosh, they are so cute, you guys. Zoom in because I don't want to get, well, not only do I not want to startle them by getting closer, but I also can't because I'm standing on a side of a river here. So I will zoom in as much as I can. They are so precious. 3 in the water and 2 walked out. I wish you guys could really understand just how big they are, because they're really big, like really, really big. But as you can see, poor Jody fell. I'm still giggling about it, and I shouldn't be, but I'm still giggling about it because I was just walking and he silently fell because he was the one holding the recording device. So he's like holding onto it for dear life and trying not to make any sounds or ruin the shot. But I turn around and he's like swimming, holding onto this rock silently. So that was a fun little spot. That's Chimney Picnic Area. Okay. I turned around, you're just like swim. This pretty little waterfall right here. In our travels, this was one of the coolest spots we found. You were actually able to pull into a parking space, and then you could walk out across and see this mountain view. It's like mountain upon mountain upon mountain. Beautiful view of the Smoky Mountains. Do you know why the Smoky Mountains are called the Smoky Mountains? I didn't know why. I actually thought it was maybe because there's just a lot of low-lying fog, but it's not. It's because there's vapor from the conifer trees in the Smokies. It contains this chemical, it's called terpenes or terpenes or something like that, and as that vapor is released, the amounts of terpenes makes the smoke like haze or mist that gives the mountains their name, the beautiful Smoky Mountains. It is gorgeous. Beautiful. Gorgeous. This is the great view. Go all the way to the end. Thank you. Okay, now don't forget, we are going to release a video, maybe 2 if we have enough, on the 2 romantic getaways that are destinations from this trip. It's beautiful, and there's a really surprise secluded spot that we're going to put you onto so that you can go there and visit it as well. If you enjoyed taking this journey with us, then please let us know in the comments. And if you have any other feedback about our video today, definitely let us know and give us a like and a subscribe. And if you happen to see us in the wild on one of our journeys or at one of our destinations, feel free to say hello.